Okay. Okay, go to your MetaTrader, that is MT4 Trader. I'm using the phone version, an Android version, so it's the same thing either with any phone, both Android or iPhone. It's if you have the knowledge here, you can also operate it on the computer system. So let me go straight. Can you see the MetaTrader icon? So let me launch it. I've launched it. You can see this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. This arrow, can you see this one? 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 So the first one, it is called a quote. The quote, whereby all the currency that you will be trading are there. Like this first one, AUD/USD. That is what? Australian dollar against USD dollar. The second one, which Euro GBP. That is Euro Great British Pounds. That is Euro against Pounds. You are trading Euro. The third one, Euro against USD. The fourth one, Pounds against USD. USD against Japanese yen. Like that, and so on. There's a lot of currency pairs which you will be trading. So with time, you start picking each and every one of them. But the most popularly trade pairs are the what? USD, this one, Euro UXD, AUD USD, and so on. So, but Euro UXD is the most popularly what trade pairs. So this is the first one. The first tab is what? The quotes. So the second one is what we call the charts. I see those charts. You need to understand them. Can you see? I have configured mine to be red and blue. If in your own it will be single plain color, black and white so I have configured it in my settings. Go to your settings, you see the color, any color you want to use there. Some people use green, some people use black, some people any color. So I prefer when the candle is going up, let it be blue. When it is coming down, it is falling, it will be red, depending on what you really want. So those candlesticks, these are called candlesticks. Don't mind my chart. My chart will not look like your own chart because you're still learning. So don't mind my chart. Let me remove this. Okay, for instance, you can see my candle. Okay, sorry, let me remove the candlestick. Sorry. Let me remove the candle. I want you to see it properly. So look at this. Let me delete the Bollinger Band. It will be in form of this. Can you see the candlestick? It will be in form of this candlestick. So don't mind my chart. So can you see the candlestick? It will be in form of, your own will be in the form of this candlestick. It's going up, it's coming down. So but the big question is, when do we know it is going up, or when do we buy, or what is called buy and what is called sell? How do we know it's time to buy and it's time to sell? Don't worry, I will be treating down how to buy and how to sell in our next class, but I want you to be familiar with the word MetaTrader. Look at the third one. I told this plate is what called the trading chart. The chart. We have the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute is in 1 minute. Each candle represents 1 minute. Every 1 minute there's a form of candlesticks. This 5 minute time frame. Can you see the time frame? Can you see this long candle went up? This long candle, it went up to this particular place. After it came down, and it is here now. Market is on hold now. Market will resume later by 11-12 o'clock, so it will continue. I don't know where it is going again. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. Can you see the 15 minute M15? Can you see the M15 of the M15? Thank you. Sorry, I'm using another pair for you. So let me use Euro UXD. You see the Euro USD chart. This 15 minutes is still loading because I switched off my data. That is still loaded. I don't want any more notification to pop up according to alongside with the presentation. 30 minutes time frame. So depending on what you want, do you have the capital to trade a long time? Do you have the capital to trade, or you want to go to be a day trader whereby you trade 1 hour, 4 hour, and few minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. But if you want to be a swing trader, like you want to trade for days, swing traders, I believe you're supposed to have a larger amount of money for that. So we have the 1 hour and we have the 4 hour. We have, can you see? We have day, week 1, month. These are those that have large money. Monthly trader, weekly trader, daily trader, 4 hour trader, 1 hour trader. It depends on you, on what you are looking for. If you are satisfied with what you have made, you can exit the market. Not number one thing that kills forex market is greed. You want to make more. You can't make all the money on forex market because you can be making now and you be thinking you want to make more. It can go against you and you lose. So if you have sure you are okay with the little you have made, close it and wait for another opportunity to enter the market again. So that is it. This side is what the trading chart. We have the, can you say 330? 330. This is my balance, equity, my balance. This is I'm using a demo account. This is a demo account. I wish it's real. Can you see the more money I will have made? I started 2 days. I started on Thursday using $100 as a demo trading. I was testing a new strategy, so I have to use a demo account. Can you see 330? I started with $100. Can you see under 2 days, Thursday, Friday? Can you see what I have boosted into? So I believe even with 2 days, so you can make more money. So this is the trading arena whereby you see your balance, your equity, and your free margin. Look at this. This can you see what I've made the last time? The last time I've made. So I made $130 in just 1 day. So this is the history of what you have made. Anyone you closed, that you are in profit or you are in loss. So these are what you want. You can make more depending on your strategy and your money. The bigger the money, the bigger you make. So we are still coming back to them. Look at this is the news metaphor. But this is not really relevant. This is the charts. Chart is not really relevant. The last two is not really relevant. We are the one we make use of mostly is this 4. This one is what the quotes, whereby you see your currency paid when you want to trade. This one is what your Euro USD. Your charts. Your charts. Why this is the trade? Why this is the history of the trade? So on our next class, I'll be teaching you how to link MetaTrader to a broker. Thank you.